frankly speaking, there is nothing unusual in such a thing because initially the Pakistani prosecuting agency approached to the Rawalpindi terrorist code that they may be permitted to inspect the Al-Fauj boat which was parked at the Karachi port, and that application was rejected by Rawalpindi court. Against that, the Pakistan prosecuting agency has preferred an appeal in the High Court, and the High Court has allowed that to inspect the said Al-Fauj. And therefore, Pakistan High Court has also directed to hold a hearing on this application. And therefore, the Rawalpindi Terrorist Court has issued a notice to all the 7 accused, including Lakhvi. Now, the arguments will require to be presented on 22nd September. And on 22nd September, the court has to decide that application. So I think this is nothing an eyewash of the Pakistani prosecuting agency, because to have an inspection at this belated stage is not going to help much thing. This is the first thing. Secondly, the SAARC summit is approaching very fastly. And therefore, in the SAARC summit, the Pakistan would like to show that they are very serious about this trial. And therefore, they are making all these frantic efforts to just have the camouflage on the slow progress.
So are you trying to say, Mr. Nikam, that this is only for optics that Pakistan has done something like this?
I'm bound to say like that because, you see, we have given the list of the witnesses. They can examine our witnesses also through video link. They can examine the David Headley also, because David Headley has given substantial evidence against Hafiz Saeed as well as Zakiur Rehman Lakhvi through video link. And not only that, David Headley also agreed with the US government that he would give evidence in Pakistan as well as in India. Why Pakistan is silent on this material issue?
Right. So we can conclude that, we can't really expect any conclusion coming anytime soon, even with these notices that have been issued now. That's what essentially you're saying.
Yes, this is a very routine course. Because the Pakistani Rawalpindi anti-terrorist court has issued notice to all these 7 accused for presenting their arguments. And they will inspect the boats. That's all. It's a very simple routine course. Routine